Hey everybody, it is day 23 of the Statice Paper Co Advent Calendar for 2020. I can't believe it's almost Christmas. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Let's take a look at our surprise. This one is flat. So, maybe stickers? Let's see. Yeah, we have stickers. As to what stickers, we'll find out right now. Okay, so we've got two sheets here. We've got a bow and a checklist. Didn't we get those a few days back? We've doubled up on those, but that's cool because they're awesome stickers to have. Yeah, so that is number 23. We've got number 24, and then our Christmas present. Don't you guys just love Christmas presents? Thanks for joining me today, guys. Number 24 is next.